Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
I'm so excited for today's house. It's new construction in the wonderful College Station, built by Camden Homes. We love these homes. I'm just so excited.
Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Beachy Beach.
Britt, we're here at this brand new construction floor plan for Camden Homes.
Absolutely, this is the new Cambridge plan.
Yes.
And I'm really digging it. One of the things that I love about Camden is other builders might consider certain finishes or extra touches to be extra,
100%.
but they come standard.
Right, they're not an upgrade here.
So nice.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So some of those things are, you've got this board and batten design you're going to see throughout these properties. You're also going to see quartz countertops as standard. You have actual custom built cabinetry.
The lighting.
And the lighting. I love how they finish, well, all the finishes. You know, your faucets, your lighting, it's kind of the jewelry on the house.
They do not skimp on anything.
Absolutely not. I can't wait. Let's just go show it to them.
We're over here in this gorgeous open concept front living and dining area over here in this new construction home. I absolutely love all the natural light flooding in. You've got the light coming in from the windows and from the sliding glass doors overlooking this really quaint little back porch. Lots of space, gorgeous kitchen. As Heather mentioned, they do not skimp on the extra touches. Everything luxurious, stainless steel, custom cabinetry, gorgeous lighting. You've got it all.
Thanks, Britt. Welcome into the main ensuite and this beautiful Cambridge floor plan. Again, some of those details that you're going to find are these tray ceilings and even the tile in the bathrooms, and we'll see that in just a second. But this particular floor plan has 3 full bedrooms plus an office. Now that office, of course, could be a bedroom, but it is a little bit smaller. And I love that it's in a separate little wing in this floor plan. But you've got plenty of space here. Another little thing that I love that Camden does is they like to save some of that swing space from doors and actually add in barn doors, not just as a design feature, but it's functional too. And in your bathrooms, you do have your quartz countertops that match throughout. In the main ensuite, you've got this nice color. Each home, of course, with it being new construction, has a little bit of a different color palette, but you're going to get very similar finishes, and they do a fine job right down to the closet. So for more information on this beautiful home, look in the description below for all the finer details.
That's right. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future real estate deals like this one.